Remember those? My mom said I used to carry it around with me everywhere until I was 5. When I started taking dance lessons. So with my Fisher Price vocals and my triple time step, I discovered a magical place where I could sing and dance at the same time. Broadway was definitely on the brain. But now you guess what ambition is not to be no mathematician. I was born to amuse, from the tip of my nose to the top